my world, and everything belongs to me. Ah, 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 ah. Said King Dewata cengkar arrogantly. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, thank you very much for the chance given to me. I'm Bernard Prilyandika Aben would like to tell a story entitled The Legend of Aji Saka and King Dewata Cengkar. Have you ever heard this story before? Okay, let me tell you and listen carefully. Ladies and gentlemen, once upon a time, there lived a king in Medang Kamulan who had abundant treasures. Unfortunately, he was famous for his bad nature, as he liked to eat flesh of his own people. Ah, 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 ah. I love my wealth, my throne, my delicious food, my world, and everything belongs to me. Ah, 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 ah. Said King Dewata Cengkar arrogantly. One day, there was a young man came to Medang Kamulan Kingdom for touring. He was very handsome, charismatic, and liked helping each other. He was enjoying his trip in Medang Kamulan. He was Aji Saka. Ah, it's so refreshing. And look at the fruit. How delightful the fruit salt here is. So many are fresh. Ah. In a sudden, he encountered a young man in tattered clothing who was making his way towards the kind-hearted man. Ajisaka asked him confusedly about his condition, and he answered hopefully. Please, help me. I've just escaped from King Dewata Cengkar who wants to eat me alive. The entire population here is so afraid of him. Please, protect us, sir, please. Ajisaka agreed, and the young man guided Ajisaka to King Dewata Cengkar Palace. Ladies and gentlemen, in the palace of King Dewata Cengkar, there was a soldier who begged for forgiveness for his mistake of causing the disappearance of a young man who was to become food for that greedy king. I'm sorry, my king. It was my fault, but please don't eat me. I'll find a young man who is more delicious than young man, my king. Please. Said the guardian in fear. And King Dewata Cengkar answered mockingly. Go quickly then, before I devour you! After the the soldier left the palace. After a minute, the king was astonished because the handsome young man suddenly appeared before him. He was Saka. Then he said, King Dewata Cengkar, I come here to become the most precious food of your life. However, there's one condition that you must fulfill. I want the land of power as long as my turban. And the one who expands, it must be you. And King Dewata Cengkar said mockingly, You are truly the most delicious food I've ever seen. If that's your condition, I'll do that. And after that, I'll devour you. Ah, 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 ah. Before long, the turban was stretched out and it was extending all the way to the edge of the beach. And the long of the turban was matching the size of King Dewata Cengkar's kingdom. And King Dewata Cengkar shouted confusedly, Oh, the turban is so long! It's reached the edge of the beach! At the other end of turban, Saka threw his turban aside. Saka said firmly, I'm going to throw this turban away. Ah! Suddenly, the force of the turban sent the king crashing into the middle of the ocean. What is this? Please help me, my soldier! Anyone, please! But no one cared. So the king was left to die to the middle of the ocean. And Saka became the king of Medang Kamulan Kingdom. The people in the country were glad of the death of the wicked king. Audiences. So, the message of the story is that goodness always triumphs over evil in any way. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all of the story. Thank you very much for your kind attention. And have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.